Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our maintenance guide for the HP ProBook 4550 G10. In this video, we will walk you through essential maintenance steps to keep your laptop running smoothly and within warranty guidelines. First, let's gather the tools you will need for this process. You will require a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help you safely open the laptop and clean its internal components. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there is no residual power. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is vital for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage. Now locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. There are typically 8 to 10 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find this process challenging or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. After removing the back panel, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Next, let's focus on cleaning the internal parts. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fans and heat sinks. This is crucial for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. Make sure to hold the can upright and use short bursts of air to avoid moisture buildup. While you're inside, check the condition of the RAM and hard drive. If you notice any dust accumulation, gently clean these components as well. If you're unsure about handling these parts, we recommend our professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure everything is in top shape. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that all screws are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug your laptop back in. Power it on and check that everything is functioning correctly. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your HP ProBook 4550 G10. If you prefer not to handle this maintenance yourself, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. With our services, you can enjoy no calls, no travel, and a hassle-free experience. Thank you for watching and happy computing. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.